Today, Winton. I'm Callum.
And kia ora. I'm Alex. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 30th of Mow-vember.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is hoko-maha, which is te reo for supermarket.
As in kei te hiree o ki te hokomaha. I'm going to the supermarket.
Choice, can you get me some fizz?
No, this stuff is bad for you.
Alright, it's Rahina, which means we announce the tidiest class for the week. Pizza jumbo please for
rooms 4, 6 and 11. Congratulations. Keep those classes tidy, Winton School.
I can smell those pizzas.
Okay, high-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. And
it's time for sunhats and playtimes and lunchtimes too. Kia ora.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road to play at interval and lunchtimes.
Make sure you get over the Eglinton Street at the zebra crossing correctly. Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Oh! Scooter and bike news. Park your whips nicely and share the shed, Winton School. Watch me whip!
Library news. Open tēnei rā apa and rā mere today, Wednesday and Friday.
Remember to shelve your books with care and get a librarian to help you.
And all library books are due back to the library by this end of the week.
Have a hunt around desks and bedrooms before Miss Ellison sends out bills for unreturned books. I've got bills!
Winton's Got Talent news. All finalists meet in the hall straight after lunch, please.
Everyone needs to be ready to go at 1:15. We only have 90 minutes to run through the whole night's competition. Kia ora.
Birthdays. 2 at Winton School today.
Richie Maguire Ratama is turning 9 and Jamie Lyle is turning the big 7.
Right on. Rawhana kia koroa.
Happy birthday, gentlemen, and that's all from today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite popo.
Share the shed and haere, Winton School.